Today, we present the case of a 28-year-old male who sustained an intraocular foreign body due to metal hammering injury. After sealing the corneal wound, we began managing the traumatic cataract. We performed anterior and posterior capsulorhexis, followed by closure of the cornea with nylon sutures. Once the lens was removed, we turned our attention to the vitreous. The intraocular foreign body was found trapped in the retina. We gently induced a posterior vitreous detachment around the foreign body without the need for the perfluorocarbon liquid. Using a forceps, we grip the foreign body. In such a situation, the foreign body is placed in the iris, and from there, you can remove it through the lens. Then, complete vitrectomy up to vitreous base was done. Laser was applied at the entry site. Followed by air fluid exchange. To prevent retinal damage, silicone oil was used as a tamponade. An inferior iridectomy was performed and the sclerotomies were sutured. The procedure was successful, with the intraocular foreign body safely removed and retinal integrity preserved. Thank you for watching.